Good morning, students. I, JVN Preeti Singh, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic clinical trial of drug discovery. Clinical trial of drug discovery belongs to subject pharmaceutical regulatory affairs for the B Pharm 8th semester students. So, students, we will discuss the topic clinical trial of drug discovery. Now we come to the introduction of clinical trial. A clinical trial is a systematic investigation in human subject for evaluating the safety and efficacy of any new drug. Clinical trial are a set of tests in medical research and drug development that generate safety and efficacy data for health intervention in human being. Now we discuss about what are the clinical trials. What are the clinical trials and what is the important role of clinical trials? What are the clinical trials? Research studies involving peoples and try to answer scientific questions and find better ways to prevent, diagnose or treat disease. Translate result of basic scientific research into better ways to prevent, diagnose or treat disease. What is clinical trial timeline? 605 BC to 1986 AD, 605 to 562 BC. The first clinical trial was carried out by the king Nebuchadnezzar. And now 1537 it was by the chance surgeon Ambroise Paré. And then the clinical trial phases, the turning point emerged the Nuremberg Code. Nuremberg Code is the history of the clinical trial. How can the birth of the clinical trial and why very important the clinical trial for the new drug discovery. And now we come to the Nuremberg Code. A voluntary human consult is essential. An experimental result should result in good for the society. An anticipated result should justify the experiment. Avoid all unnecessary physical and mental suffering. No experiment if there is a chance of death and disability. Minimize risk of the subject and proper preparation and facility to protect subjects. Experiment conducted only by qualification person and subject can withdraw at any time. Terminate experiment if results are known or with best judgment. Now we come to for the example of the doctor's trial. What is doctor trials? फर्स्टली अगर हमने कोई न्यू इन्वेंशन की है, किसी भी ड्रग की न्यू इन्वेंशन की है, कोई न्यू ड्रग डिलीवरी सिस्टम फॉर्म किया है, तो वो जब तक जस्टिफाई नहीं होता है जब तक हम उसकी क्लिनिकल ट्रायल की टेस्टिंग नहीं करेंगे. क्लिनिकल ट्रायल हमारी 4 टाइप्स की होती है, फेज 1, फेज 2 एंड फेज 3. एंड लास्ट वन इज जो होती है वो हम पोस्ट मार्केट सर्वेलेंस के लिए कि हमारी ड्रग जो है वो जस्टिफाई है, वो क्लियर है, इवेल्युएटेड कर ली है हमने, अब उसको हम पोस्ट मार्केट सर्वेलेंस के लिए फॉर द ह्यूमन यूज के लिए हम सप्लाई कर सकते हैं. अब हम बात करते हैं कि व्हाट इज डॉक्टर्स ट्रायल. डॉक्टर्स ट्रायल क्या होता है? द मेडिकल केस USA, the doctor trial 1946 to 47, 23 German doctors and administrators accused war crime and crimes against humanity. Medical experiments and medical procedures on prisoners and civilians. 12 series of medical experiment concerning. Then we come to the turning point of the clinical trial. Emerged the Nuremberg Code, basic principle to be observed when conducting research involving inhuman subject. Subsequently formed the basis of international guidelines on medical research such as the Declaration of Helsinki. Now we come to the drug development process and what is the use of the clinical trial. Investigational new drug IND and preclinical studies and animal studies. फॉर द लास्ट टॉपिक में हम ये डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि ड्रग डेवलपमेंट का प्रोसेस क्या होता है, उसकी स्टेजेस क्या होती हैं और जो प्री क्लिनिकल पैरामीटर्स होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं और नॉन क्लिनिकल पैरामीटर्स क्या होते हैं. अब हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं क्लिनिकल ट्रायल के बारे में। तो यूएस एफडीए आस्क फॉर द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ ड्रग and chemistry, preclinical information, any previous human study, an investigator brochure, clinical development plan, and protocol and investigator submission for the first phase. Now we come to the different phases of the clinical trials. Different phases of the clinical trial. First one is phase 1 trial. Phase 1 trial में हम क्या करते हैं? Small group of healthy peoples. A small group of healthy peoples, approx 20 to 50, the first time to evaluate its safety, determine and safe dose range. Now we come to the second phase of the trial. Group of the patient approx 100 to 300, effective and evaluate its safety. Now in phase 3rd trial, the large group of the patient approx 1000 to 3000, effectiveness, monitor side effect and compare it to commonly used treatment and use safety. In phase 4th trial, post-marketing studies, drugs, risk, benefits, and optimal use. Phases of clinical trial, exploratory and proof of concept and definite concept. Phase 0 and phase 1, 2, and 3, and 4th. Development cities and pre-marketing phase of the clinical drug development. And last one is post-marketing phase. Drug development process. Drug development processes depend on the preclinical study, clinical studies, and non-clinical studies. Now also depend on the NDA review and post-marketing. Post-marketing is the part of the clinical trial. Now we come to the drug review. जब हम कोई भी न्यू ड्रग डिस्कवरी करते हैं, तो न्यू ड्रग डिस्कवरी के टाइम पे जब हम क्लिनिकल ट्रायल की टेस्टिंग करते हैं, तो ड्रग का रिव्यू भी हमें ध्यान में रखना होता है कि ड्रग का हमारा प्रोफाइल क्या है. तो ड्रग रिव्यू, बिफोर वन कैन इनिशिएट टेस्टिंग इन human begins, extensive preclinical or laboratory research is required. Research usually involve years of experiments and in humans and cells. If this stage of the testing is successful, the sponsor then provide this data to the FDA requesting approval to begin testing in humans. This is called an investigational new drug application. Preclinical evaluation phase, animal studies, pharmacodynamic studies in vivo in animals, in vitro preparations, absorption, distribution, elimination studies for the pharmacokinetics. Now we come to the acute and subacute chronic toxicity studies, toxicity profile and therapeutic index for the safety and efficacy and evaluation. Pre-phase 1. Preclinical data review, drug discovery team, efficacy, safety, pharmacology and toxicology, and ADME. Preparation of investigation and filling of the investigational. IND application, clinical evaluation need prior regulatory and IRB clearance. Phase-wise clearance have to be obtained. The end result of the phase 1st, 3rd studies is the filing of the NDA new drug application for the obtaining marketing permission from DCGI. Phases of clinical trial. First trial is under human pharmacology and second trial is under therapeutic exploratory, and third one is therapeutic conformity, and last one is therapeutic uses. Preclinical phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4, and number of patient will be increases for the phase 1 and phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. Microdosing and phase 0 studies. Early studies of the pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics is a very important role for the clinical trial. Absorption, distribution and metabolism and excretion is also the part of the clinical trials. Properties of the potential drug to humans is very necessary. Now we come to the microdosing phase 0 study. Advantage, less chance of adverse effect and short duration, less number of volunteers and reduced cost of development and reduced drug development time. Phase 1, first stage is testing in human subject, and phase 1 is basic prerequisite preclinical data for the IND application and phase 1 study clinical trial. The aim of phase 1 study clinical trial is determined for the maximum tolerability of the dose for the new treatment. Single ascending dose studies. small group and large group of the studies. Multiple ascending dose studies conducted in understand the pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic of the multiple dose of the drug. Phase 1 study objective, primary tolerability and safety, pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. Reason for the using healthy volunteers, large number of available healthy volunteers for the rapid onset of action, and phase 1 patient volunteers, and patient 1 special population healthy volunteers, and limitations of phase 1 trial restricted to homogeneous subject and performance explorated to heterogeneous market mass. Phase 3rd is very important for the conformity trial, therapeutic conformity trial. And phase 3rd objective to assess overall all relative therapeutic value of the new drug efficacy, safety, and spatial properties. To determine optimal dosage schedule for use in general, the dosage schedule in cities should be as close as possible to its anticipated clinical use. फेज 3rd स्टडीज की अगर हम बात करें तो उसमें सब टाइप्स हमारे होते हैं, फेज 3rd A and फेज 3rd B and फेज 3rd B also, to get the sufficient significant data and allow patient to continue the treatment, level expansion and additional safety protocol. End of the clinical trial activities, sponsors, expert committees and review of the efficacy, safety and potential sales, and go no go decision to file new drug application with DCGI and expert review by the DCGI committee. Without DCGI committee approval, clinical trial is not approved. Now we come to the phase 4th. Phase 4th objective, main objective of the phase 4th, evaluating the different age group, type of the patient and comparative benefit risk assessment and cost assessment. Reporting of the adverse drug reaction. In healthcare personal aspects, that particular medication is associated with the reporting of the ADR. So clinical trial जो कि 4th जो चारों phases हैं वो हमारी complete हुई. किसी भी new drug discovery को न्यू ड्रग डिस्कवरी में कोई हम ड्रग फाइंड आउट करते हैं, किसी ड्रग की डिस्कवरी हम करते हैं, तो उसको अप्रूव करने के लिए, उसको उसकी सेफ्टी एक्यूरेसी पैरामीटर्स को देखने के लिए क्लिनिकल ट्रायल का करना हमें जरूरी होता है. तो ये क्लिनिकल ट्रायल का क्या कि हमने कुछ सम फेजेस देखी. सो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.